Stuck reading endless docs without a working extension? Build your first Firefox extension in under 4 minutes. We'll follow MDN's official guide step by step, from manifest to testing. Let's start at the first extension page. Start by going to the Your First Extension page on MDN. Then click on Writing the Extension to begin building your add-on. Click on Writing the Extension again to proceed. Now click on manifest.json to open the manifest file. Then click on Highlight to see the first key. Click on Highlight again to view the next key. The first 3 keys, manifest version, name, and version, are mandatory and contain basic metadata. Description is required in Safari, but optional elsewhere. It's a good idea to set it as it appears in the extension manager. Icons are optional, but recommended to specify an icon for your extension. And browser-specific settings is required by Firefox. So far, these keys provide information. The next key, Content Scripts, starts defining functionality by telling Firefox to load a script. Click on icon/border48.png to see the icon reference. If you supply an icon, it should be 48 by 48 pixels. You can also supply a 96 by 96 pixel icon for high-resolution displays. Then click on Highlight to see more details. Alternatively, you can supply an SVG file, which Firefox scales automatically. If your SVG has text, use Convert to Path to flatten it. Now click on Writing the Extension again to continue. Then click on Trying it out to test your extension. Click on Borderify to see the extension folder. Then click on Installing to learn how to install it. Now click on Testing to see how to test it. Note that it doesn't work on addons.mozilla.org because that domain blocks content scripts. Try experimenting. Edit the content script to change the border color. Save it, then reload the extension in about:debugging. Finally, click on Packaging and Publishing to learn how to distribute your extension. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.